Bugatti ki manufacturing kaise dunia hai jahan engineering, art our perfection hai platform car milt hain. Ye process kisi normal car factory jaza nahi hoda. Yahan har step masterpiece ki tara tayer kia jata hai, jahan quality, precision our performance ko compromise karna socha bi nahi ya sakta. Sab kuch shuru hoda hai material selection say, jo Bugatti k DNA ka pella our sabs crucial hissa hoda hai. Bugatti ke liye surf wo materials choose ki jate hain jo ultralight our ultra strong properties rocked hain. Carbon fiber, titanium our aerospace-grade aluminum jise advanced metals our composites ko carefully select kia jata hai taki car ki speed, aerodynamics our durability dunia ke sabs high standards par ho. Har layer ka weight, strength our flexibility laboratory level testing say guzarda high, kayunki Bugatti ko banan ka maxid surf ek car banana nahi, balki ek legend create karna hoda hai. Materials finalize hone ke bod agla step hoda hai technology our design precision ka. Bugatti ki body our engine design karna ek science bi hai our ek art bi. Yahan robotics ki accuracy our handcrafting ki finesse ko combine kia jata hai. Designers pella 3D modeling our virtual simulations k through car ki har curve, har angle our har airflow ko test kart hain. Wind tunnel experiments me hours talk air resistance our aerodynamics co-optimize kia jata high taki high speed par bi stability perfect rehi. Bugatti ka design ka bi surf kubserti ke liye nahi hoda, har inch performance ko enhance karne ke liye engineered hoda hai. Yahan har measurement micron level precision par hodi high, kayunki Bugatti ki philosophy simple high, perfection begins where limits end. Jab design final ho jata high, tabati high production our assembly key stage, G's Bugatti dunia mi sabs unique craftsmanship ka example keta high. Typical factory lines say bilkul alag, Bugatti ka assembly area ek laboratory jaza hoda hai jahan master engineers manually har part ko assemble kart hain. Engine, jo Bugatti ka hard hoda hai, 1500 plus horsepower generate karne ke liye multi-component system hoda hai our iska assembling me dozens of hours lagdi hain. Har cylinder, har turbocharger our har cooling component ko individually fit kia jata hai. Chassis ko perfectly aligned kia jata hai, interiors ko hand-stitched leather our custom-made materials say decorate kia jata hai. Yahan kisi robot par depend nahi kia jata, kayunki har bolt, nut our panel ko expert engineers apni hath say inspect our fit kart hain. Torque wrench ka pressure talk manually tested hoda hai, our Bugatti k standards me zero error tolerance rocky jati hai. MATLAB ek micro mistake be acceptable nahi hodi. Jab kar pori tara assemble ho jati hai, tab shuru hoda hai final our sab strict step, testing our perfection check. Har Bugatti ko extreme levels par test kia jata hai. High speed tracks par car ko push kia jata hai taki stability, acceleration, braking our engine performance check kia sake. Safety tests, quality inspections our aerodynamic behavior ko evaluate kia jata hai. Cabin K noises, vibration levels our engine temperature talk professional instruments say measure ki jate hain. Agar ek percent b deviation mile, to car wapas workshop me jati hai our engineers fear say manual improvements kart hain. Bugatti delivery tab talk approve nahi karti jab talk car 100% flawless, balanced our performance ready na ho. Is rigorous testing ka high result high k Bugatti surf ek vehicle nahi hodi, wo ek experience hodi high. Akir mi jab customer ke liye car ready hodi hai, to uske ander ek craftsmanship, engineering brilliance our passion ki kahani chupi hodi hai. Bugatti ki manufacturing ye prove karti hai ke jab perfection target ho, to har step detail, dedication our. Innovation say bara hoda hai. Ye hai waja hai ke Bugatti ko dunia mi supercars ka king ka ha jata hai, kayunki yahan har car ek engineering miracle hodi hai. Jo speed our luxury key definition ko ek nae height dedi hai.